Now we're going to talk about our kitchen display monitors. Almost all modern monitors should be compatible with our RKM dongle for the kitchen display app to work. The only requirement is that they have an HDMI port, be it on the back or on the side, like this one. This one has it under. Just one HDMI port will be enough to make it compatible and for us to connect this dongle in it. So now we will talk about the mounting for monitors. Normally all monitors come with a standard, a fixed mount that is the one that comes with the box. So this one is really easy to install, but there's not a lot of options for movement. It just clips in the back and that's it. There are others like the VESA mounts, like this one. This is just a plate, but they come in arms with different motions or movement range. So this one, for example, rotates and pivots. So it's a bit scary at first, but this is really easy to install. We just need to clip this plate with the monitor in it, of course, and we will just clip it on the arm. So I will just proceed to install it for you to see how easy it is. In this case, I will just take the plate first for practicality, just align it with the bolts, and we will just start screwing them. I will just fast forward from here. What I would recommend doing is start screwing from one corner and then the opposite. Since we have a little curvature here, you may not be able to reach the bottom of one of the sides. So this is just to kind of distribute a little bit of the pressure. So try to screw it just middle or halfway there, just go to the other side. So yeah, let's start. Now that we've finished screwing the plate, we will just take our monitor and we will just put it here and clip it with the arm. This is very easy. We will just need to put a little reinforcement bolt in it because we have a very wide variety of movement here. So we will need this for us to be able to use all the movement range. And that's it. We will just test a little bit of the movements that we're able to do. All the monitors that we sell on our page are VESA compatible with 75 millimeters and 100 millimeters compatibility. That's why we have like two holes in the plate. And we also sell the mounts. So you should be set. If you want to buy any of this equipment, you can just do it from our page. Thank you and see you on the next video.